So hello guys, welcome in this new video, and in this video we are going to do about the MCQ fill in the blanks and true and false like question from the chapter manufacturing industries. And so we are starting with the question 1. So just please like the video. And the question 1 is, processing of jute and rubber falls under which of the following industries? Agro based, mineral based, business based, and none of these. And just think about the answer. If you don't know, then just pause the video and think, and I am telling the answer, and its answer is option A, agro based. Now question 2, which of the following is a mineral based product? And the options are woolen, tea, cotton, and cement, and its answer is option D, cement. Now question 3, India and steel industry is an example of which industry? Basic industry, mineral based industry, both of the above, and none of these, and its correct answer is both of the above. Now question 4, which of the following is product for direct use of consumers? Copper, petrochemicals, aluminium, and sugar, and its answer is sugar. Now question 5, which of the following country is the largest producer of jute in the world? India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal, and its answer is Bangladesh. Now question 6, which country has the largest installed capacity of spindle in the world? Japan, Philippines, China, and India, and I think Japan is the answer. No, it's China. Option C is the correct answer. Now question 7, which of the following activities employs people in the manufacturing of the primary material into finished goods? It is correct. Now options are secondary activities, primary activities, tertiary activities, and none of these, and its correct answer is option A, secondary activities. Now question 8, industries causes pollution, land, water, air, and noise, and its answer is air. Now question 9, tools, implements, fertilizers, tractor, etc. are supplied by government, industry, people, none of these, and its answer is industries. Now question 10, which sector is considered as the backbone in the overall economic development of a country? Manufacturing sector, service sector, agriculture sector, and none of these, and its correct answer is option B, service sector. Now question 11, the industry which have heavy types of raw material are called light industries, market, both A and B, and option D, none of these, and its correct answer is option D, none of these. Which of the following is transformed into a wide variety of furnished goods of higher value? Manufactured good, raw material, industrial goods, and all of these, and its correct answer is option B, raw materials. Now question 13, molasses are used to make rum, rubber, ethanol, and none of these, and its answer is rum. What is the contribution of industry to GDP? 17%, 90% in total of 29%, 21% in total of 31%, and 23% in total of 33%, and its correct answer is option 17. Option A is the correct answer. Now question 15, which out of the following is a mineral based industry? Sugar, tea, coffee, and petrochemical, and its answer is option D, petrochemicals. Now question 16, which of the following occurs after the increase in industrial activities? Urbanization, rural expansion, development, loss of labor, and option D, all of these, and its correct answer is option A, urbanization. Now moving to the next question, dash is the cause by the presence of high proportion of undesirable gases such as sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide, and the options are air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and all of these, and its correct answer is option A, air pollution. Now question 18, what is the which of the following is emitted by chemical and paper factories, brick kilns, and refineries and smelting plants? Fog, smoke, water vapor, and all of these, and its correct answer is option B, smoke. Now question 19, which of the following is manufactured as Salem? Steel, cotton, aluminium, and copper, and its correct answer is steel. Now question 20, which of the following adversely affect human health, animals, plants, building, and the atmosphere as whole? Noise pollution, thermal pollution, air pollution, and water pollution, and its correct answer is option C, air pollution. Which of the following is caused by the discharge of organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents? Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and thermal pollution. And its answer is option B, water pollution. Which one of the following organization is responsible for the marketing of steel of the public sector undertaking? TISCO, IISCO, BHEL and SAIL, and its correct answer is option D, SAIL. Write down in the comment its full form. Now question 23. Paper, pulp, chemical, textile and dyeing, petroleum refineries and tanneries are agent of causing which type of pollution? Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and none of these, and its answer is water pollution. Now question 24. Which is the only industry in India which is self-reliant? Textile industry, iron and steel, electrical and sugar, and its answer is option A, textile industry. Which of the following iron and steel is located in Odisha? Durgapur, Bokaro, Rourkela and Jamshedpur, and its correct answer is option C, Rourkela. Now fill in the blank like question. Raw material is the prime consideration of dash, and just think about the answer, and its answer is industries. Now question 2. Industry provide employment to weavers at home as a cottage industry, and its correct answer is hand spoon khadi. Now question 3. India is the largest exporter of jute after dash, and its correct answer is Bangladesh. Now question 4. The dash strength of a country is measured by the development of an industry, and its correct answer is economic strength. Now question 5. The first textile mill was established in Gujarat. Now question 6. Dash is an agro-based raw material, jute or cement, and its answer is jute. Now question 7. In India, most of the jute mills are located in, and do it by yourself and write the answer in the comment section. Now moving to the true and false like question. The jute industry supports 1 lakh workers directly, and its answer is false. Mineral based industries use metals and minerals as a raw material, and it is true statement. Now question 3. Iron and steel is considered heavy industry, and its answer is true. India occupies second place in the production of gur and kandasari. I don't know what is this, and its answer is false. The first successful textile mill was established in Mumbai in 1854, and it is true. Now question 6. The hand spoon khadi provide large scale employment to weaver in their home as a cottage industry, and its answer is true. So we have done all the question and fill in the blanks and MCQ like question. So just hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a good day.